Is Remarketly worth the price? Wrong question. Ask what one silent customer costs you. The tool pays for itself the first time it wins one back. Start with the cost per booking due. Every sale traced to the source that earned it. 1 week here, 142,000 dirhams, all attributed. Now, one recovered order. Sarah had drifted for 47 days. One win-back message, and House of Al banks 510 dirhams. That single sale covers a month, and she is one main. As a silent VIP, Sarah is worth 4,820 dirhams in lifetime value. Losing her quietly costs more than any subscription. Loyalty works the same way. A few extra repeat visits a week at 26 dirhams a cup, and the tool pays for itself again. Repeat visits climb 30%. So here is the honest arithmetic. Recover one lead, or earn a few extra visits, and the month is covered. Everything after that is tracked, attributed profit. The old way, you blast everyone, pay anyway, and never know what worked. The new way, you recover the ones drifting off, and you start free. So, is it worth it? One recovered customer says yes. Start free at remarketly.io and keep one number free forever.